Hey, what's up, Vechain Holders? So this is an urgent video for all holder, my friend, because Vechain as and the moon, my friend, going very fastly, moving up. So what's the current price? What's the current prediction? In upcoming time, they're moving up or they feels down. Everything is discussed in this video. So very important video. Please, holder. As you can see here, my friend. Therefore, I tell you, my friend, so this is urgent video. You can see here, but before I start, sorry, please subscribe this channel for latest news and updates. Kindly subscribe this channel and press bell icon. My friend, if you can see here, come to the point. This time, the last 1 hour chart is on the screen and they're completely fails now. What's the reason, my friends? Today fails now at the midnight, my friend. They also fails now very fastly. So this time you can see here minus 1.65% they fails down in the last 1 hour. This is the current fails now. You can see here this time the price is 0.25 US dollar, my friend. But I hope, my friend, in upcoming time they're moving up. So why I tell you, my friends, today moving up, I tell you, my friend, after this chart. So let's check out the last 7 day chart to what's going on in the last previous 7 days, my friend. This chart is going very important, my friend. If you can see here, when I see this chart, then absolutely I cannot see the last 1 hour chart to if you remember this as a negative. But definitely if you can see here this high, this jump, then absolutely, and the last previous days all cryptocurrencies very badly falls down. But definitely Vechain is moving up. So I think this is one of the unique and fastest coin, my friend, in the crypto market today, moving up, my friend. If I draw this line, I'll show you the resistance line. So the resistance line is here, my friend. When they cross the resistance line, then absolutely the change occurs in positive. So definitely plus 225.41% they're moving up. So definitely the price is in positive and the price is increased now hour by hour. So why they fails down in the last 1 hour? So you can see here after this jump they fails down in the last 1 hour. I think this is a short fell, my friend. You can see here this time after a jump they fails down, and after a fails they take a jump. Every cryptocurrency is moving in this circulation. So absolutely after this big jump, my friend, they fails now, and after this fails they also take a jump, my friend, very big jump, my friend. So the good time is coming soon, my friend. If you can see here, this is very short fails, my friend, but definitely after this fails also take a good jump. So holders, don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. I hope they give you very good profit, they make you millionaire. Thanks for watching, holders. Please, hope you understand this video. Please like this video, subscribe this channel and like this video, please, and press bell icon for videos notification.